Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2001 Ford Explorer, the Sport Trac, and I will show you how to replace the license plate bulbs. As you can see on mine, the right one is working, but the left one is burned out. Okay, so you pretty much have two options of doing this. You can try prying out this black housing and then pulling the assembly out and replacing the light bulb, but I learned the hard way in the past, if you try doing that you often will just break this housing. So the best idea is just to replace it from the inside. Okay, so if you go under the truck, up here you'll see a wire going into a hole, and that's the wire going into your light bulb. And now all you have to do pretty much is either squeeze your hand inside and twist this connector counterclockwise, or if you have a big hand, big fingers, and you cannot do it, you can always use like pliers and just grab that housing with the pliers and turn it counterclockwise. Okay, and that way you can just pull it out and replace that light bulb. Okay, so to remove the light bulb from the socket, all you have to do is just grab onto the light bulb and pull it straight out. It's probably a good idea to do it using your both hands, but I have to record. But anyways, once you have it out, you can get your new light bulb and just plug it straight in. Now what you want to do before you install this socket and twist it back in, you want to definitely start the car, turn on the lights, and make sure that that light bulb actually does work. Okay, so mine is good to go, and only thing left to do is just go back under the truck and just twist this socket back into its place, and that's it. This is how you can replace your license plate light bulb on 2001 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.